my mirror, y'all. Like it's falling.
Oh, baby, go on, keep it spinning. Oh, yuck me up, I don't want no romancing. Oh, baby, I see you.
Hey babes, so today I am going to be showing you how I made this DIY lighted vanity mirror. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then make sure you stay tuned.
Okay, so just to show y'all the materials that I have. So this is my mirror. It's 20 inches by basically 20 inches by 24. So that is how big it is. And y'all know I'm part of, wow, y'all know that I'm part of Amazon Prime. So these are the lights that I got. Are these Shinde, I think that's how you pronounce them, these Shinde lights. So we'll open those up as well. I got some packing tape. I got some mounting tape, some Scotch mounting tape to actually mount it up. So let's go ahead and get this project started. Yeah, so this is the area. It's right next to my closet. I do have some scratches and stuff on my little vanity area, but it's not dust, I promise. It's just little scratches that I've came across the years because I've had it for so long. But yeah, so I'm ready for the mirror. I'm going to put the mirror right here, but I'm ready for the mirror to be there because it will definitely brighten up this area. I do have like a little small vanity mirror. Ew, I look disgusting. But I do have a little vanity mirror, and you just touch it and it comes on. So that's what I have right now, but the other one will hopefully brighten everything up around here. So I'm definitely going to put it here. So yeah. Okay, so now let's put it together. It comes with, I don't know if you can see it, but it has these little corner things on the end. So I'll just take those off. So opening up the box, it just comes with the instructions. I just told you how to put all of it on. And then once you open the box, those are the lights. And then in here, the power strip and the power cord. And then also it comes with the dimmer, which you guys can kind of see in the back. So before we even get onto the dimmer, I already tested out the lights to make sure they work, and they do. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the lights. They do come with the little, you can't even see it, but it does come with the little tape things on the back so that you can tape them onto the mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly and kind of show you guys the process as well. They come tied together with the little lights are tied, and once you like untie them, then all of the little wire in between will come out so that you guys can have some space to space out your lights. So you can't really see because it's gotten dark, but I've gotten all of the lights untied so they do have that little bit of space in between. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to space out the lights. I'm going to space them out along the edges of along the edge of the mirror. So I'll start with the end, and I'll start that down here, I think. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to try to spread them out as evenly as possible. And of course, if you have a mirror, if you have like a ruler, just make sure you use your ruler. But I'm kind of freehanding this. Okay, so I have the lights kind of spaced out how I want them. So I have 3 on the edges, and then, so there's 3 on the edge, and then 4 along the middle. Okay? Alright, so I haven't stuck them down yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick them down in the spots that they are, and then after that I'm going to take the Scotch tape. And basically what I'm going to do with the Scotch tape is I'm going to take it and take the excess wires and stick them behind the mirror so that you can't see those. Okay, so I got all of them stuck down to the mirror. So now I'm going to carefully flip it over and tape all of the excess wire that you see in between the lights, and tape the excess wire to the back.
the front look like. That's what's important.
I don't know if that's focused or not, but if it's not focused, I'll still show you. But I got these little mounting things. They're not really mounting things, but they're just little tape things that are on the back of the lights, and they sent me extras just in case like one broke or something. So basically what you do is you just take it and stick it on the edge. I'm sticking mine on the edges. Okay, so these are what the little things look like, and then I have one on each corner of the mirror. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hang it. So all I have to do is just take off the little film that's on the light, which I want my light to be like this, but I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. And I actually think I'm going to put it closer to the bottom of my table, so that just in case it ever falls, Lord forbid, it can fall on the table. So I'm going to center it up, stick it on the wall. Ooh. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Moving on to the part where I plug it up, the most exciting part. So I have an extension cord already plugged up in my room. So here's the cord, and then it also comes with the adapter that goes on top of this cord. So you plug that in, and then on that adapter it has the on and off button, or the dimmer, like that, and then you just use the adapter right there to dim it and turn it on. Just gonna turn it on, and it's like that. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm about to cry because I'm so happy. And then you can dim it down, all the way down, and then you just tap it again to turn it off, or if you don't want to dim it, you can just turn it on and off. But anyways, this is what the finished product looks like, guys, and I am so happy. Like, the end result looks so good. Anyways, I am so happy with my new mirror. I'm excited to do makeup, and now I feel like it just has such great lighting that I will be able to do some makeup tutorials for y'all guys. And I'm so sorry that I look dusty, but what's new? What's new? So of course, y'all let me know what y'all want to see. But yeah, I'm just proud of myself. And I actually saw a girl do this, so if I can find a link to the video of the girl that I saw do it, I will make sure that I leave that down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can look at that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me making this, and I hope that I brought a new idea to some of y'all. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment down below and, you know, tell me something. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.